Welcome to Alex's boho chic wardrobe. Well, thank you so much for being here today. I am so happy that you decided to come in and join me. We are having the most incredible summer right now, which is amazing because it's allowing me to bring you some really lovely, beautiful summer outfits, which is just the dream. If you don't know me already, I'm Alex Keeper. I'm a mid-size, middle-aged model. I am also a dominatrix on the side, but that is not for this channel. This channel is all about body confidence and just, living your best life and being your best self. So if you love a bit of natural fibres, natural cottons, bit of linen, and you really enjoy a kind of boho vibe to your styling, you're in the right place. Right, let's start straight in. So today's outfit, what I like to do is shop my wardrobe. That's quite an important thing for me, is that I'm not sitting here telling you, go out, buy new things all the time. No, not at all. I was just looking through what I had and, okay, blowing my own trumpet, I think this is a really gorgeous outfit that I am most definitely going to be wearing in the next couple of days. So I found a white shirt that I've had for ages. Now this is a white shirt, but it's one of the ones that wraps over. So if you can see, it's like a triangle. It comes across and then you tie the two ribbons together. So you can tie these at any point you like. You can tie them quite loosely and wear like a little t-shirt under it, or you can tie them quite tightly and have it like a top that comes across where the breast line is and does up in a bow. It's really pretty. It's a lovely soft, I don't know if this is linen or I think this is actually linen. It's a really light linen. It's gorgeous. So because it's linen, we do have to be a bit careful with creasing. Okay, so what I paired that up with was a pair of wide leg linen beige trousers that have been in my wardrobe for possibly 4 years. These were from Primark. I remember them so clearly. I will double check that. Yep, they are. And I remember getting these, honestly, does everyone decide to message me as soon as I come on to talk to you? I remember getting these a long time ago. So they had some really nice detailing. They had this long line buttoning down here. So this goes quite low, but they fall really easy. I call them almost like a 1920s style, if I'm honest. They have got pockets. Who doesn't love a pocket? And a small pocket at the back. And then they're just quite wide leg. They're very wide leg, actually. Look, if I show you, they are really wide leg. And that's what I really like about these, because the fall on them is stunning. I'm going to preach a bit here. Now, as a mid-size model, I really appreciate that if you think you're a size 16 and say you take a size 16 on the top half and it fits perfectly, and then you see that maybe a pair of bottoms is a size 18 and you're just not going to get them. You'll get them in the 16 because you're a 16. I'm such an advocate for reminding you all. The sizes of clothing, they change from shop to shop, from rail to rail. So I always think, if you're talking about going up one size or down one size, don't be afraid of that. If you need to go up to an 18, I'm certain these are an 18, even though they're an 18. Even though I'm currently taking a 16, these are an 18 and they fit so good. When you'll see what I mean. Also, I do live with fibromyalgia, which is like a chronic pain condition. And so I do find wearing very tight clothes can be really uncomfortable on my skin sometimes, especially around my middle. So I often size up on a waist. Maybe I can put a belt on it, or in this case, they just hang really beautifully. So I'm going to pop in some footage of what this outfit looks like. You're probably bored by now. And and these are the shoes I went with. Lovely white light, they're not espadrilles, they're just a sandal with this lovely buckle detail, and then they have got the roped design down there at the bottom. So these are really easy to wear with it. Now, the last thing I added to this outfit, and I'm going to bring them up really close, I just figured this was a really simple outfit. I don't know what you think, but it's a really simple, classic, easy wear outfit. I probably could have put an Alice band on with it. I could have done so much more styling. I could have done a big oversized bag, could have looked beautiful. But what I did decide to go for, because it was such a simple outfit, I really wanted to dress it up a bit with something a bit more showstopper. So let's put these down. And while you're looking at the outfit, if it's still up, I'm going to bring these in. Here they are. So look at those incredible earrings. I mean, they are so lovely. They're very Asian, Indian inspired, almost, I guess you could call that like a belly dancer style. They're great, aren't they? They're so pretty. I loved these. And I just felt that when you've got an outfit like this that's really plain and simple, this is your best chance to take something completely crazy, completely bonkers, and just run with it, because it's going to look okay. I didn't add any other jewellery. I do think more jewellery would have just been over the top, and I did think about a thick bangle, which would have looked lovely, but again, I think once you've put something as statement as this on, you might need to pair it back with everything else. I would have definitely just had a beige little, maybe my rattan bag, or perhaps, it's not here, is it? No. Or just a small little brown bag, something simple. So keeping the outfit modern, but allowing the statement jewellery to absolutely shine. Well, that's it for today, guys. I love that outfit. I think it's really lovely. I'm desperate to know what you think. I would love, love, love to hear in the comments, what do you think? Now, some of you may say, well, I'm a mid-sized girl, so putting big baggy trousers on is just making me look bigger. But I don't know. I think where the top was a little bit more fitted, the sleeves were nice and flowy, but the top itself pulled in and allowed it to show that there was a smaller part of my body before it flared out again. I think that's really complimentary, and I would recommend that to any mid-sized girls who are a little bit big around the middle. It's okay to accentuate that you've still got a smaller point. Those trousers come up quite high. They're almost empire line, and I would say that's quite flattering on this particular look. So, will you comment for me? What do you think? And will you shop your wardrobe? Will you go in and take a look? Have you got a pair of baggy trousers that are just floating around at the back? Maybe a lovely shirt like that? Or a regular shirt just tied up with a bow, so again, pulling in. Experiment. That's what I'm asking you to do. I've loved having you in today. I'm Alex Keeper, and this is the Boho Chics channel. Please go back, have a look in the playlist at the other styling if you just enjoy a bit of styling. None of my videos are going to be too long. I think the longest they're going to be is like 8.5 minutes, something like that, 8.5, 9 minutes. This channel is purely about bringing you inspiration and cute ideas. I mean, there's much shorter videos on there as well. Yeah, just shopping your own wardrobe. That's what it's all about. Well, thank you so much for being in today. I've really loved having you here, and I cannot wait to read all the amazing comments. So like, subscribe and comment. Thank you so, so much for being here with me, and have the most deliciously wonderful day.